Flaxseed oil, derived from the seeds of the flax plant, Linnaeus, has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. Rich in essential nutrients and known for its versatility, flaxseed oil can be a valuable addition to your diet. Here are 10 compelling reasons to incorporate flaxseed oil into your daily routine. 1. Rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Flaxseed oil is one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. Since the body cannot produce these fatty acids, they must be obtained through diet, making flaxseed oil an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. 2. Promotes heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed oil have been shown to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. They help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Regular consumption of flaxseed oil can improve overall heart health and reduce the likelihood of developing chronic heart conditions. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Flaxseed oil contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help manage conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and inflammatory bowel disease. By reducing inflammation, flaxseed oil can also alleviate pain and improve joint mobility. 4. Supports digestive health. Flaxseed oil can aid in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It helps to prevent constipation by lubricating the digestive tract and promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of flaxseed oil can soothe the lining of the intestines, reducing symptoms of digestive disorders. 5. Skin health and hydration. The essential fatty acids in flaxseed oil contribute to healthy skin by maintaining its hydration and elasticity. Flaxseed oil can help manage conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties make it an excellent natural remedy for dry and irritated skin. 6. Weight management. Incorporating flaxseed oil into your diet can aid in weight management. The healthy fats in flaxseed oil can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce the risk of obesity-related inflammation and improve metabolic health. 7. Improved brain function. The omega-3 fatty acids found in flaxseed oil are crucial for brain health. They support cognitive function, improve memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Regular consumption of flaxseed oil can enhance overall brain health and potentially delay the onset of conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. 8. Eye health. Flaxseed oil's omega-3 fatty acids also play a role in maintaining eye health. They help protect against dry eyes and reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Including flaxseed oil in your diet can contribute to long-term eye health.